Today we're gonna build a mini DIY fingerboard park. Got some concrete pad, we got some Gorilla Glue, got some mini bricks, some other random features I've made. So let's make a little mini park. Bunch of random stuff, like honestly, like broken ledges, bricks, like other random stuff. I feel like there's just other even stuff down here. A little piece of grass. Maybe we'll throw this in somewhere, you know? So I feel like there's a lot of possibilities, a lot of options. Let's see what we can do. I actually built this little guy out of this random little like mold I made. I think this is just from like Home Goods or something, just like a random little thing. Brick sea ledge I think would be really cool over here. I'm gonna let this thing dry up right now. I'm gonna leave these cracks. I'm gonna fill them in with this later. I'm actually gonna grab a bunch of rocks and build some transition, kind of like an actual DIY spot. I mean, it's definitely pretty crusty, but I actually really like it. It's like very skate DIY spot. I'm really loving it actually. I didn't have much, so like I made it work. So we ended up kind of building the little bank to wall thing over here. I'm gonna like smoothen it out a little bit, but yeah, it's kind of chill. Smoothing this thing out, so I'm gonna try to use this plastic bag. It's kind of working actually. So now let's let everything kind of dry for right now. I might just add like this little guy in the corner. I mean, do a fun few other little things, but otherwise I'm gonna let it dry. So this is what we're looking at right now. This is the next day. Everything, I think, seems to be pretty dry. Some crusty. I'm gonna wax up a few of the features and we're gonna give it a little test run.